The first question is let a and b be two positive integers such that a is equal to p cube q raised to the power 4 and b is equal to p square q cube. A is equal to p cube q raised to the power 4 and b is equal to p square q cube, where p and q are prime numbers. P and q are prime numbers, and if HCF of AB is equal to p raised to the power m q raised to the power n, HCF of A comma B is equal to p raised to the power m q raised to the power n, and LCM of A B is equal to p raised to the power r and q raised to the power s. This is what we are given in the question. Then we have to find out m plus n into r plus s. R plus s. This one we have to find out. So first one, a is equal to p cube q raised to the power 4 and b is equal to p square q cube. So HCF of a comma b. HCF of a comma b. HCF of a and b is HCF of p cube and p square is p square. Highest common factor among p cube and p square, it is p square. Q raised to the power, HCF of q raised to the power 4 and q cube is q cube. So HCF of AB is equal to p square q cube. But what is given here? HCF of a comma b is equal to p raised to the power m into q raised to the power n. Therefore, m is equal to 2. M value is equal to 2 and n value is equal to 3. Right? M is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Same way, we have to find out what is R and S. Right? R and S. So, same way, what is LCM? We'll write here. LCM. HCF we found out here. Next one, LCM. LCM of A, B is equal to LCM of A and B. That is p cube and p square. LCM of p cube and p square is p cube. LCM of p q raised to the power 4 and q raised q cube is q raised to the power 4. LCM, that is least common multiple. So p cube and p square. So the greatest number is 3. So p cube. Q raised to the power 4 and q cube. So q raised to the power 4. It is equal to p raised to the power r and q raised to the power s. So r is equal to 3. R value is equal to 3 and s value is 4. S value is equal to 4. Now what we have to find out here? M plus n into r plus s is equal to m. What is m here? M is equal to 2 plus n is equal to 3, close the bracket, into. Then next one is r plus s. The value of r is 3. 3 plus s is 4. Now we have to multiply. 2 plus 3 is 5 into 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 35. That is 35. Option C. So the answer is option C. C is the answer. Now we will see the second question. Let P be a prime number, the quadratic equation having its roots as factors of P. So P is a prime number. So factors are P and 1. These are two factors, right? Factors of P are P and 1. 1 and the number itself, right? So roots are P and 1. So alpha is equal to P. First root is P and second root is 1. Alpha and beta are P and 1. First root is P, another root is 1. Right? Now we have to frame one equation. The quadratic equation we have to frame. So how to make a quadratic equation? So formula for making a quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, right? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. What is x square? X square, same way we can write x square minus alpha is p. So p plus beta is 1 into x plus alpha beta. Alpha beta is p into 1 is equal to 0. That is x square minus p plus 1 into x plus p ones are p is equal to 0. It's very easy question. Very easy question, because factors we are given, that is the factors of p are roots. P is a prime number. For the prime number, you know that factors are 1 and the number itself. So factors of p, we can say that 1 and p, right? So alpha is equal to p, and this is alpha and this is beta. Beta is equal to 1. So the option, what is the option? X square minus p plus 1 into x plus p is equal to 0. That is option B. Answer is B. Now the third question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial f of x is equal to p of x square, px square minus 2x plus 3p, and alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. Then p is, then you have to find out the value of p. Now we are given a polynomial, that is f of x is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3p. So from this px square minus 2x plus 3p, a is equal to, we can write the value of a, that is coefficient of x square is a. A is equal to p, b is equal to, b is minus 2, coefficient of x is b, and c is equal to 3p. So a, b, c we can write from this equation, that is px square minus 2x plus 3p, right? Then what we are given, alpha plus beta, we are given one more condition, that is alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, right? So alpha plus beta, how to find out alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is minus b by a? Minus of minus 2 upon a. A is equal to p. A, that is equal to minus into minus plus, so 2 by p. Now alpha plus beta is 2 by p. Now we have to find out what is alpha beta. So alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is c? C is equal to 3p. 3p upon a. What is a? A is equal to p. A is equal to p. We are written already, that is the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is p, right? So 3p by p, then again we can cancel this p and p, that is equal to 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? 2 by p is equal to alpha beta is 3, right? 2 by p is equal to 3. Now cross multiplication, p will come here and 3 will go down. That means p is equal to 2 by 3. P is equal to 2 by 3. Now the fourth question is, if the system of equations 3x plus y is equal to 1, two equations we are given, 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. So a pair of equations we are given, 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1, and it is given that the equations is inconsistent. So if two equations is inconsistent, we can say that the lines are always parallel. They will not coincide each other. Lines are parallel. That means it has no solution, right? It has no solution. So the condition is if the lines are parallel, what is the condition? Condition, all of you know that is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. If two lines are parallel, the condition is it is C1 by C2. C1 by C2. This is C1 only, not C2. C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. It's not equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for two lines are parallel, right? Now, what is A1 from this equation? Write all A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. Now, A1 is equal to 3. B1 is equal to 1. Coefficient of y. From the first equation, coefficient of y is 1. Now C1 is equal to, here 1 we are given on the right hand side. So C1 must be minus 1, right? Because the basic form, the basic form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That c must be on the left hand side, but here we are given c is on the right hand side. So C1 must be minus 1, right? Same way, what is A2? A2 is equal to 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 and B2 is equal to coefficient of y is equal to, from the second equation, coefficient of y, that is equal to B2. And C2, that means from the second equation, the constant term, it is equal to minus 2k plus 1, right? So write like this: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. Now we need only this A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, right? So we will take, because only one unknown value is there, we have to find out the value of k. So we can write A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. We will take this condition. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. What is A1? 3 by A2 is equal to 2k minus 1 is equal to B1. B1 is equal to 1 upon B2. B2 is equal to k minus 1. K minus 1. Now cross multiply and find out the value of k, right? So cross multiplication. That is 3 into 3. 3 into k minus 1. 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. 1 into 2k minus 1, right? 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. After cross multiplying, we will get 3 into k minus 1 and 1 into 2k minus 1. So what is 3 into k? That is 3k minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3, is equal to 1 into 2k, that is 2k, and 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, right? So 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3, right? Minus 1 plus 3. Now 3k minus 2k is 1k, right? So instead of 1k we can write k. 1k is k only, right? 1k is equal to k. So 3k minus 2k is equal to k is equal to 2. So the value of k is equal to 2. So the value of k is equal to 2. So what is the option? You say the option, that is equal to option D. Option D. Now the fifth question is, if the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS taken in order are P3, 4. Now we will take PQRS. PQRS taken in order. That means either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. That means PQ. If you are naming P here, the next one Q, next coordinate must be here. Here in this point, that is PQRS, right? So PQRS, that's why they are given taken in order, right? PQRS are P3, 4. Here we can say that this is 3, 4. We are given a point 3, 4 and Q is minus 2, 3. R is minus 3, minus 2. 3, minus 2. S, we have to find out this value S. Let S be x comma y. Let S be, the point S be, suppose x comma y. That is the point, x comma y be the point of S, right? Now we have to find out S, what is x and what is y, right? Now in this question we are given, if the vertices of a parallelogram PQR is taken in order are P3, 4, Q minus 2, 2, 3 and R minus 3, minus 2, then the coordinates of the fourth vertex. So we know that according to the property of the parallelogram, we can say that PR, diagonals are always intersect each other. That is the property we have learned from 8th standard. That means always the diagonals are bisecting. Like diagonals are bisecting. That means suppose this point, this midpoint is O, this is O, right? So O is equal to midpoint of SQ and midpoint of PR. Midpoint of PR, this is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of PR and SQ as well. SPR and SQ, right? So what is the midpoint? What is the point O we have to find out, right? So O, that is here, according to the property of the parallelogram, we can write midpoint of midpoint. Now midpoint of PR is equal to midpoint of PR is equal to midpoint of SQ or QS, right? Midpoint of PR is equal to midpoint of QS. But how to find out the midpoint of PR? Midpoint of PR, that means in the coordinate geometry, we know that what is the midpoint of PR? What is the formula for finding midpoint? So midpoint formula, midpoint, how to find out the midpoint of two coordinates? Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the formula for finding midpoint, right? So O is equal to, that means midpoint of PR. Now first we'll find PR, midpoint of PR. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2, right? So x1, that is 3, x1 plus x2, 3 plus minus 3 by 2. Next one is y1 plus y2, that is y1 value is 4, 4 plus minus 2 by 2, right? So x1 plus x2, what is x1 and what is x2? Substitute here. What is x1 here? First one we'll take the midpoint of PR. Left hand side we'll take the midpoint of PR, that is 3 plus minus 3 upon 2, comma, now y coordinate. Y coordinates are 4 and minus 2. So 4 plus minus 2 upon 2. Put the bracket. This is the midpoint of PR. This is the midpoint of PR. Right children? Midpoint of PR we are written on the left hand side. That is equal to, now we will write midpoint of QS. QS, right? X plus minus 2, that is x plus minus 2 upon 2, comma, next y coordinate, y plus 3 upon 2. So both are equal. Midpoints are always equal because always in the parallelogram we can say that diagonals are bisecting each other. So midpoints are same, right? Diagonals are bisecting. That means midpoints, midpoint of SQ must be equal to midpoint of PR, right? Now what is 3 plus minus 3 by 2? 0 by 2 is 0. Now 4 plus minus 2, that is 2 by 2. 4 plus minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 1 and that is equal to, now x plus minus 2 by 2, that is x minus 2 by 2, comma, y plus 3 by 2. Y plus 3 by 2. Right? Now we have to equate the two coordinates, that is x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with the y coordinate. Then we will get the value of x and y, right? First we'll calculate x. Okay, so x minus 2 by 2 is equal to 0. That means x minus 2 is equal to 0, 2s are 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So, x value is 2. Right? X value is 2. That is positive 2. Now, we will see, we will find what is y. That means 1 is equal to y coordinate. We have to calculate, we have to take both y coordinates. Here, y coordinate is left hand side, y coordinate is 1. And right hand side, y coordinate is y plus 3 by 2. So, y plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 1. Now, cross multiplication, y plus 3 is equal to 1, 2s are 2. So, y is equal to 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. That is equal to minus 1. So, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So, the option is C, that is 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1 is, this point is 2 and minus 1. Next question, from the similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. If AM and PN, this is M and this is PN. If AM and PN are altitudes of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we are given two altitudes AM and PN. Respectively, and AB square is equal to PQ square, and one more condition we are given, that is AB square is to PQ square ratio between AB square and PQ square is equal to 4:9. So if AB square is to PQ square, ratio between AB square and PQ square is 4:9, so we can take the square root also. AB is to PQ, ratio between AB and PQ is equal to square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So, AB is to PQ must be equal to 2 is to 3, right? 2 is to 3. But we are given that ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If they are similar, we can say that ratio of altitudes must be equal to ratio of sides. If they are similar, ratio of sides. Ratio of altitude is equal to ratio of sides. Altitudes, two altitudes are there. AM and PN must be equal to ratio of their sides. Then we can write AM divided by AM by PM. Ratio of altitude is, first altitude is AM, second altitude is PN. So AM by PN must be equal to AB divided by PQ, because ratio of sides, ratio of altitude is equal to ratio of sides. So AB divided by PQ. What is AM by PN? AM by PN, that is the question. We have to find out what is the ratio of their altitudes. AM is to PN. This is the question. What is AM is to PN? So AM by PN is equal to AB. What is AB? AB is equal to 2, because AB is to PQ is equal to 2 is to 3. That is 2 by 3. So AM is to PN must be equal to 2 is to 3. So the required ratio is 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So the option is 2 is to 3. That is option D. The option D. 2 is to 3 is the answer. Now let us do the seventh question. If x tan 60 into cos 60 is equal to sin 60 into cot 60, then find the value of x. We are given x tan 60 into cos 60 is equal to sin 60 into cot 60. Then we have to find this value of x. Then how to find out this value of x? X into tan 60. Tan 60 we can write as sin theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So tan 60 is equal to sin 60 divided by cos 60 into cos 60. Cos 60 we don't want to change. Cos 60 is cos 60. That is equal to sin 60 into, again we have to change cot 60 as cos 60 divided by sin 60. Because cot theta is sin cos theta by sin theta. So cot 60 is cos 60 by sin 60. Now cos 60 here in the denominator and here is it is in the numerator. So it get cancelled. Now sin 60 into sin 60, this is also cancelled. Now x into sin 60, x into sin 60 is equal to cos 60. X into sin 60 is equal to cos 60. Now x is multiplied with, what is sin 60? Sin 60 value is, what is sin 60 value? That is root 3 by 2. That is equal to cos 60 is half. Cos 60 is half. Therefore, x is equal to half into 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Then 2 by root 3. Root 3 by 2 will become 2 by root 3 on the right hand side. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. But here the options are in cos, tan, sin and cot. So 1 by root 3 we can write as tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So what is option? Option B. Now we'll see the 8th question. In the 8th question we are given sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to square root of 2. We have to find out the value of tan theta plus cot theta. What is the value of tan theta plus cot theta? For that, we'll take this first statement, that is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Both sides. That is this equation. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. Then sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square, right? So what is sin theta plus cos theta whole square? So a plus b whole square, that identity we have to use here. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Both are same. So 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equal to root 2 square is 2. Root 2 square is 2. Then we can use the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. So 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 plus 1 will become minus 1 on the right hand side. So 1 we have to bring it to this side. That is 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1. So 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin theta cos theta is equal to sin theta cos theta into sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. right? Now what is tan theta plus cot theta? Now we got the value of sin theta cos theta as 1 by 2, right? Now we have to take tan theta plus cot theta. Now here it is, the question is tan theta plus cot theta. What is tan theta plus cot theta? We will see. What is tan theta plus cot theta? Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta plus cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Now you cross multiply like this. Find the LCM and add it. Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. That is equal to sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta. That is the LCM. Here cos theta sin theta. So cos theta into sin theta is sin theta cos theta or cos theta sin theta. But I have written as sin theta cos theta. So what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is equal to 1. 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. 1 by sin theta cos theta. So what is sin theta cos theta? It is 1 by 2. So 1 by sin theta cos theta will be 1 by 1 by 2, right? 1 by 1 by 2. That is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. So the option is B. The value of tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Now we will see the next question. Now in this 9th question we are given DE is parallel to BC and A is equal to A units. DE and BC are parallel to each other. DE and BC are parallel to each other. A is equal to A units, EC is equal to B units. A units and B units. DE is equal to, this length of D is equal to X. Length of BC is equal to Y units. It is Y units. And this is what we are given, which are the following is true. 4 options are there. Now we are given that DE is parallel to BC. That means if DE and BC are parallel, we can say that angle E that is equal to angle C. That is angle AED is equal to angle ACB. Then you can name it as angle 1. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle ADE and ABC, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now you can see that 2 triangles are there. So I have separated these 2 triangles ADE and ABC. Now in these 2 triangles we are given this is X and BC. BC is equal to Y. I have separated 2 triangles. And this one is A unit. What will be AC? If AE is equal to A and EC is equal to B, so AC must be A plus B. AC is equal to A plus B. A plus B. So AC must be A plus B. AC is equal to A plus B. Now we have to find out this ratio. That means these 2 triangles are similar triangles. Triangle AD, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by A criterion. By SAS also we can prove. If you are taking the basic proportionality theorem, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. That way also we can prove this. But here this is very easy. That is A. But if you are taking this A criterion, it will be very easy. That means angle A, this 1 is equal to 2. One angle, that means in triangle ADE angle 1 and in triangle ABC angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Corresponding angles are equal. And next one is angle A is equal to angle A common. So by AA similarity we can prove that 2 triangles are similar triangle. So AA similarity. So A criterion we can prove that 2 triangles are similar triangle. If you want to get this proof, it is very simple. Angle A is equal to angle A common. Reason is common. And I have marked here 1 and 2. That means this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because here angle 1 and angle 2 are equal because these are corresponding angles. DE must be parallel to BC. So 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. The reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Then hence we can say that triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC, right? So if two triangles are similar triangles, we can say that sides are proportional. Sides are in proportion, that is sides are in the same ratio. That means AD divided by AB, AD by AB is equal to DE divided by BC is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC. Sides are in the same ratio. AE by AC. Right? Now we are given DE and BC value we are given. This one we are given. AE and AC value we are given. So we have to take this one. What is DE? DE is equal to X. And BC is equal to Y. Is equal to A is equal to A. And what is AC? AC is equal to A plus B. AC is equal to A plus B. So if you are cross multiplying this one, you will get the answer as Y. Y will go to this side and Y will come here. So the answer must be here X. X is equal to A plus B. It's not the answer. Y is equal to AX. That is not the answer. Now X is equal to, this is the answer. X is equal to AY upon A plus B. AY upon A plus B. That is option C. Option C. Now in the 10th question, ABCD is a trapezium with AD is parallel to BC. Here see the diagram. AD is parallel to BC. Diagram is not given, but this is a diagram. AD is parallel to BC. One trapezium we are given, that is ABCD is a trapezium, and AD and BC are parallel to each other. AD is equal to 4 centimeter. This one AD, length of AD is equal to 4 centimeter. If the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O, and AO by OC. Now AO by OC is equal to DO by OB is equal to half. AO by OC is equal to AO by OC. So it is 1:2 ratio, 1/2. AO by OC is equal to 1/2. So here OA will be 1 and OC is equal to 2. DO by OB is equal to half. DO is equal to 1 and OB is equal to 2. And OB is equal to 2. Now you can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. Sides are in the same ratio. Sides are in the same ratio. You see that AO by OC is equal to DO by OB. Now 1 here in this triangle, 1. OA is equal to 1 and here OD is equal to 1. In this triangle, OB is equal to 2 and OC is equal to 2. Now you see AO by OC is equal to DO by OB is equal to half we are given. Therefore, we can say that triangle OAD is similar to triangle. Which one? AOD is similar to triangle OCB. OAD, that means this angle and this angle are equal. These two are parallel lines and suppose this is 1 and this is 2. Angle, that is angle 1. If this angle is 1 and 2 are equal, that means alternate interior angles are equal, right? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. I am marking this one as angle 1 and this is as angle 2. This small angle as angle 2. That means angle OCB as angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles AD and BC are parallel to each other and AC is transversal. then angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because alternate interior angles. Now we can say that these two are vertically opposite angles. So by AA similarity, we can say that triangle OAD is similar to triangle OCB. By AA similarity, we can prove A criterion. We can prove that these two triangles are similar triangle. If two triangles are similar triangle, the sides are in the same ratio. That means OA by OC is equal to OD by this one, OD by OB is equal to AD by BC because these two triangles are similar triangles. So if two triangles are similar triangles, we can say that the sides are in the same ratio. Then all the sides are in the same ratio. All the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What are the corresponding sides here? Corresponding side to OA is OC. That means OA by OC is equal to corresponding side of OD is OD. OD is OB. So OD by OB. Now corresponding side of AD is BC. Now OD by OB. This is actually 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and AD. What is AD? AD by BC. We have to find out what is BC. Now we can say that AD is equal to 4 centimeter. We are given already what is AD. It is 4 centimeter. So 4 divided by BC. We have to find out the value of BC. Now cross multiplication. BC is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. That means BC is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So what is the option? We can select the option C. The option is C. That is 8 centimeter is the length of BC. Now the 11th question is, if two tangents inclined at an angle of 60 degree are drawn to a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So one circle given and its radius is 3 centimeter given. Its radius 3 centimeter and what is given if two tangents inclined. So two tangents also you have to draw. Two tangents are given. And this is 60 degree. The whole angle is 60 degree. Now from here to here it is 60 degree. The whole angle is 60 degree. So this one must be 30 degree. Whole angle is 60 degree, then this bisects the other, so it is 30 degree. Now this radius we are given as 3 centimeter. Now what is the then length of each tangent? This is the tangent. Suppose this O, A, B and C. AB is the tangent. Tangent is equal to AB. AB is the tangent. Now we can see that in triangle OAB, actually this OB bisects this angle ABC. So if this is 60 degree, so if this angle is 60 degree, the whole angle, if it is 60 degree, each angle must be 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree because it bisects. And you can say that this radius and tangent always, this is the radius and this is the tangent. So radius and tangent always perpendicular to each other. This will be 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. So in angle A is equal to 90 degree. And angle OBA, this angle OBA is equal to 30 degree. Is equal to 30 degree, right? It is equal to 30 degree. OA is equal to length of OA. OA we are given. What is the radius of this circle? That is equal to 3 centimeter. So OA is equal to 3 centimeter. So angle OBA is equal to 30 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. OA is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we have to find out what is this length of AB. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, right? This is actually 90 degree angle, so we can apply the trigonometry, right? We can apply the trigonometry. So this one angle is 90 degree. It's a right angle triangle. So in this triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So we can take that is it's 3 centimeter. This is 30 degree. So opposite divided by this is 90 degree. So the side opposite to 90 degree will be hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse and this is adjacent. We can take it as hypotenuse, and this one is opposite and this is adjacent. This is adjacent. Hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. So what we have to find out here? AB we have to find out. That is opposite divided by adjacent, right? Opposite divided by adjacent. So tan 30 degree, that is tan 30 is equal to OA divided by AB. OA divided by AB. So what is the value of tan 30? It is 1 by root 3 is equal to OA. What is OA? OA is 3. OA is 3 centimeter, right? Radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. So OA is equal to 3. What is AB? We have to find out AB. So cross multiplication, that is 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 by AB. So that is equal to AB. AB is equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. So length of AB is equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. That is the option D. Option D is the. Now the 12th question is the area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeter is. So one square, that is a circle, is inscribed in a square, right? A circle is inscribed in a square, and the length of the square is, that means from here to here it is 6 centimeter. That means the diameter will be 6 centimeter, right? Diameter of the circle is 6 centimeter. So what will be the radius of the circle? If the diameter is 6 centimeter, the radius will be 3 centimeter, right? Radius will be half of the diameter, that is equal to 3 centimeter. 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. So what is the question? The area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square of 6 centimeter is. So here we can say that diameter of the circle is equal to diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle is equal to side of the square. Is equal to side of the square. Side of the square. Diameter of the circle is equal to side of the square. What is the diameter? So diameter is equal to 6. Then that is equal to, say, here square side of the square is also 6. So what is the radius of the circle? Radius is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. So radius is equal to 3 centimeter. So what we have to find out here? We have to find out area of the circle. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to, the answer we are given in pi. So no need to substitute the value of pi. Pi into r. What is r? R is equal to 3. That is 3 square. That is equal to 9 pi centimeter square. 9 pi centimeter square is the answer. So option D. So it is option D. Now the 13th question is the sum of the length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 6 root 3 centimeter. Cuboid, that is length, breadth and height. Sum of the length, breadth and height. So L plus B plus H is equal to 6 root 3 is equal to 6 root 3. That is a cuboid. Cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. So L, length, breadth, height. Sum of length, breadth and height is 6 root 3. And the length of its diagonal is 2 root 3 centimeter. So length of its diagonal is L square. Formula for the diagonal of the cuboid. L square plus B square plus H square is equal to, what is given? The length of the diagonal is 2 root 3. So length of its diagonal is 2 root 3. That is formula for finding the diagonal. Root of L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 2 root 3. And we have to find out the total surface area. That is TSA, total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. So how to find out this? L plus B plus H is equal to 6 root 3. So I am going to make the square on both sides. L plus B plus H. So L plus B plus H. L plus B plus H whole square is equal to 6 root 3 whole square. 6 root 3 whole square. So what is the formula for L plus B plus H whole square? In 9th standard we have learned A plus B plus C whole square. That is L square, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Same way L plus B plus H whole square is L square plus B square plus H square plus 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL is equal to 2HL is equal to 6 root 3 whole square is 6 6 36. 36 into 3. 36 into 3 is 108. 36 into 3 is 108. Right? So L square plus B square plus H square. We can substitute this value here. Root of L square plus B square plus H square is 2 root 3. So what will be L square plus H square plus B square? If square root is 2 root 3, so L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 2 root 3 whole square. That is equal to 2 root 3 whole square is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is 2 root 3 whole square, right? So instead of L square plus B square plus H square, we can put the value 12. 12 plus 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 108. Now 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 108. It is 108 minus 12. 108 minus 12, that is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. Then 96 centimeter. This is actually surface area. So 96 centimeter square. It is 96 centimeter square. So surface area, total surface area of the cuboid is 96 centimeter square. So the option is C. Now the next question is if the difference of the mode and median of the data is 24. That is difference of mode and median. That is mode minus median. That is the meaning of difference. If any difference you are saying, you can put here minus. Mode minus median is equal to 24. This is what we are given. Mode minus median is equal to 24. Then the difference of median and mean. That is, we have to find out what is the difference of median and mean. This difference we have to find out. Mode minus median is equal to 24. Then what is median minus mean? So here we have to use the empirical formula. What is the empirical formula? Empirical formula says that mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the empirical formula in the statistics. We are studying that formula from the statistics chapter. That is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. But here we are given a condition, that is mode minus median is equal to 24. So mode I will be taking from this. What will be the mode? If mode minus median is equal to 24, mode is equal to 24 plus median. 24 plus median, right? Mode minus median is equal to 24. So mode value is 24 and minus median will become plus median on the right hand side. Okay, this is really an indirect question. It is not the direct question. It is not given in the NCERT textbook. It is indirect question. Mode is equal to 24 plus median. That is, we are using the empirical formula. We are given empirical formula in the NCERT textbook. Then we have to use this empirical formula and find out this answer. Mode is equal to 24 plus median. Now this mode I am going to substitute in this. That is 24 plus median. 24 plus median is equal to 3 median is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. So 24 is equal to median. Again I am going to take it to the right hand side. So 3 median minus median. This plus median will become minus median. Minus median minus 2 mean. This mean minus 2 mean, right? 2 mean, sorry, 2 mean. 2 mean. So what is 3 median minus median? That is equal to 2 median and minus 2 mean. 2 median minus 2 mean is equal to 24, right? 24 is equal to 2 median minus 2 mean. Now we can take 2 as a common factor. This is 12 into 2. That is here 12 into 2 is equal to 2 into median minus mean, because you can take 2 outside. Now this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore median minus mean is equal to 12. So median minus mean is equal to 12. So the question is the difference of median and mean. Then you can write this as 12. So this is option B. Now the 15th question is the number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius 0.25 meter in rolling a distance of 11 kilometer is. We are given 4 options and one circular wheel given, and the radius. This radius is radius, that means from here to here. This radius is 0.25. This is 0.25 meters. And distance is 11 kilometer. Distance is equal to 11 kilometer given, and the radius is in 0.25 meters. So distance. So we can convert. First we will convert distance to meters. 11 kilometer, that is 11 into 1000, that is equal to 11,000 meters. So distance is equal to 11,000 meters, right? Now what is the radius? Radius of the wheel is 0.25 meters. Radius of the wheel is 0.25 meters. So how to find out the number of revolutions? So let n be the number of revolutions. N be the number of revolutions made by the number of revolutions made by a circular wheel. Number of revolutions made by a circular wheel. Made by a circular wheel. Circular wheel. So, number of revolutions into circumference of the wheel. Circumference of the wheel is equal to total distance. Is equal to total distance. Is equal to total distance. Is equal to here total distance. Total distance, right? This is the formula. N into circumference is equal to total distance. Now we have to find out N. How many revolutions, number of revolutions we have to find out. So N is equal to total distance divided by circumference. So before that we will find out what is the circumference. Circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 pi r. That is 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r. R is 0.25. That 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100. 0.25 is a decimal. So 25 by 100. So 25 goes on 100 4 times, and 2 gets cancelled on 4 2 times, and again 2 goes on 22 again 11 times. So that will be circumference will be 11 by 7. Circumference is 11 by 7 meters, right? 11 by 7 meters. Circumference of this wheel is equal to 11 by 7 meters. Now N is equal to number of revolutions is equal to total distance divided by circumference. What is the total distance? Total distance is 11,000 kilometer. We are converted to meters. So 11,000 divided by C. Circumference is 11 by 7. That is equal to 11,000 into 7 by 11. 11 and 11 get cancelled. That is equal to 7,000 meters. So number of revolutions will be 7,000 meters. So number of revolutions made by the circular wheel is 7,000 meters. So the option is here D. D option. So this is the answer. Option is D. Now the next question is from the statistics. Here we are given a table. Class 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and 15 to 20, and 20 to 25 given. Frequency also given there. The question is sum of the lower limit of the median and model class. Sum of the lower limit of the median and the model class. So we have to find out what is the median class and model class. Median class and model class. And what is model class? What is model class? Median class and model class we have to find out. For the median class, first you have to find out the cumulative frequency. So CF, one more column will be there that you have to find out this cumulative frequency. 0 to 5, 10. So it is 10, 25, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 12, 37, 37 plus 20, it is 57, 57 plus 9, it is 66. So here the total is 66. So this way you can find out the cumulative frequency. Just first you can write 10, then 10 plus 15, 25, then 10 plus 15 plus 12, it is 37, 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 20, it is 57. Then again add all the frequencies, you will be getting the total, that is 66. So what is the median class? How to find out the median class? Here 66 is the total, 66, the total frequency 66. So n is equal to 66. N by 2 is equal to 66 by 2 is equal to 33. So median class, where it lies, median class 33. 33 is here only, here. This is 37, right? So 33 is including in this class, that is median class is 10 to 15. So median class we can write as 10 to 15. This is the median class, 10 to 15. What is the model class? How to find out the model class? Here highest frequency, how to find out highest frequency? First you search the highest frequency. Highest frequency is here 20. So the corresponding class is the model class. 10, 15, 12, 20 and 9. These are the frequencies. Among these, 20 is the highest frequency, right? So corresponding class, 20 is the frequency. So corresponding class is 15 to 20. So model class is 15 to 20. This is the model class. Median class we are finding the total n and n by 2 33. And now check the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 37, 25. 33 is not including in 25. 33 is included in 37. If the cumulative frequency is 37, this will be the corresponding this one, median class, 10 to 15, right? So 10 to 15 is a median class. So 33, that is 33 by 66 by 2, 33. So that is 33 you want to find out. Afterwards only you can find out the median class. So it is 10 to 15. So lower limit, both lower limits you want to find out. So lower limit of the median class is 10 and lower limit of the model class is 15. So what is the sum of the lower limit? That is 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. 25. So the answer is 25. That is option B is the answer. Now we'll see the 17th question. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. What is the probability that 6 will come up at least once? 6 will come at least once. That means 6 will come. At least once 6 will come. What is the sample space if two dice are rolled simultaneously? Sample space, we'll see the sample space. So two dice are throwing. So 1, 6, right? Next one is 6, 1. So one phase. In this phase we are getting 6. This phase here we are getting 6, right? 1, 6, 6, 1. Then 2, 6 or 6, 2. 2, 6, 6, 2. 3, 6, 6, 3. 4, 6, 6, 4. 5, 6, 6, 5. Now the last one is 6, 6, right? 6, 6. 6, 6. Okay, two phases. That means on the 6 will come at least once. So 2 times 6, 6, right? So 6, 6. Now 1, 2, 3. How many sample space? We can count the sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, right? It is 11 times. That is probability. Probability is probability is equal to 11 divided by then total sample space is 36. That is 11 is the number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. This is a formula for finding probability. 11 is the number of favorable outcomes. 36 is the total outcomes. So 11 by 36. So we can say that option C. It is option C. Now the 18th question is if tan beta is equal to 4, then 5 sin beta minus 2 cos beta divided by 5 sin beta plus 2 cos beta is equal to dash. That is, we are given 5 tan beta is equal to 4. So tan beta value, tan beta is equal to 4 by 5, right? 5 tan beta is equal to 4. So tan beta is equal to 4 by 5. Now we'll take this equation, that is 5 sin beta minus 2 cos beta upon 5 sin beta plus 2 cos beta. We have to find out the value of this expression, that is 5 sin beta minus 2 cos beta divided by 5 sin beta plus 2 cos beta. For that we have to divide. We are given the values tan beta we are getting, that is in the question it is given that 5 tan beta is equal to 4. From that we are getting tan beta is equal to 4 by 5. So we can substitute tan beta as 4 by 5 in this equation. So how we can substitute this value here? So for that we can divide this whole equation with cos beta. Cos beta. We can divide this with the cos beta. That means the whole equation with the cos beta. Each one we have to divide, right? That is 5 sin beta divided by cos beta minus 2 cos beta divided by cos beta upon here 5 sin beta divided by cos beta plus 2 cos beta divided by cos beta, right? So we have to divide like this so that we can substitute the value of tan beta, right? So what is this? 5 sin beta by cos beta is 5 tan beta minus 2 cos beta by cos beta get cancelled, we'll get 2, right? 2 upon 5 sin beta by cos beta, that is again we can write as tan beta plus, and cos beta cancel, we'll get 2, right? So what is the value of tan beta? Tan beta is equal to 4 by 5. So that is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 2 upon 5 into tan beta is again it is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 again it is plus 2. Now 5 and 5 get cancelled. Here also 5 and 5 get cancelled. So here 4 minus 2 upon 4 plus 2, that is equal to 2 by 6. That is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 6. Then again we can cancel this number, that is equal to 1 by 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. That is option A. That is 1 by 3 is the answer. Now the 19th question is something different. That is assertion and reason we are given. 2 statements we are given. We'll read it. If product of 2 numbers is 5780 and their HCF is 17, then their LCM is 340. One statement we are given, right? A. That is assertion A. Name it as A. Next reason, that is the reason for the first one we are given. Statement, that is R, reason we are given. That is HCF is always a factor of LCM. Now we can see that if the product of two numbers is 5780, that means product of two numbers we are given A into B is equal to 5780, and their HCF is equal to 17 we are given. Now they found out in the question it is given, then their LCM is 340. So how to find out the LCM? LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by A into B, that is product of the numbers divided by HCF. This is the formula. This formula we are using for finding LCM, right? Only this formula is using, nothing else. We are using this formula and getting this LCM. But statement are given, that is HCF is always a factor of LCM. No doubt at all. Always HCF is a factor of LCM, right? If 2 and 4, if two numbers you are given 2 and 4. What is the LCM? LCM must be 4 and HCF is equal to 2. Highest common factor of 2 and 4 is 2 and least common multiple is 4. So 4 and 2. Now we can see that always HCF is a factor of LCM, because factors of 4 are 2, 1 and 4, right? 2, 1 and 4. Factors of this one again 2. 2 is a factor of this HCF, right? 2 is here. So always HCF is the factor of LCM, no doubt at all, right? So it is a true statement. But this statement R is not the reason for the statement A. That you have to understand, children. Here one statement we are given assertion. That assertion is if A into B is equal to 5780 and HCF is equal to 17, then LCM is equal to this one. Then LCM is equal to 340. So the options. Now you read the options. What is the first one? Both assertion A and reason R are true. Yes, both are true. A is true and R is also true, right? And reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Wrong. Reason R is not the correct explanation, right? HCF is always a factor of LCM. It is not the correct explanation for the statement A, because if the reason they are given, this formula LCM is equal to A into B by HCF, then it is the correct explanation, right? Then it will be the correct reason. Now this A is wrong, right, children? Now B, both assertion A and reason R are true. Yes, both are true. Both assertion A and reason R are true. And reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. Correct, right? Both are actually right, true statement. But the second one, that is reason R is not the correct explanation of A. I think this is correct. Now see, assertion A is true but reason R is false. No, reason R is also correct but R is not the correct explanation of A, right? Now assertion A is false but reason R is true. No, wrong. Assertion A is true only, because 5780 divided by 17. You divide and see, you will get 340. 340. So it is true only. Assertion A is not wrong. Assertion A is true only. Reason R is also true. So we can take the option B. This is the answer, right? Now the question number 20, same type of question, assertion and reason type. So statement, what is the statement given? Statement A, that is, if the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are, one triangle given ABC, and midpoint of AB is D, midpoint of AC is E, and ABC are D 3,5 and E point, the point E is minus 3, minus 3 respectively. Then BC is equal to 20 units. we are given that BC, this length of BC is also 20, right? So what will be the length of DE? DE, that means D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. It is given in the question. It is given in the question. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Now we will find out what is the length of DE. DE is equal to DE, that is distance formula we can use, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for finding the distance between 2 points. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it is DE, that is the square root of minus 3, this one is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, that is minus 3 whole square plus y2 is minus 3 minus y1 is 5 whole square is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square is minus 6 whole square plus minus 3 minus 5 whole square is minus 8 whole square, that is equal to square root of 36 plus 64 is equal to square root of 100 is equal to 10. That means the length of D is equal to 10. This length is 10. So length of D is 10 and BC is 20 units and 10 units. Okay. Now we'll see the statement. First statement is, if the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are D 3, 5 and E minus 3, minus 3, BC is equal to 20. And one more distance we found out, that is 10, right? Now statement R, the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, that means D, that means AB, the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. So D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Line joining the midpoint, that is line is DE, right? So line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, right? It's correct only. DE must be parallel to BC. DE must be, because these two are midpoints we have studied from 9th standard, right? If D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, then DE must be parallel to BC and D is equal to half of BC. This one we have learned from the 9th standard, right? So same thing, statement R, it is given there. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. That means DE is parallel to the third side. DE is parallel to BC. And DE is equal to half of BC, right? Correct only. This is what we are given. And the third side, and it is and equal to half of it. That means DE is equal to half of BC. It's correct. And it is the correct reason for the first one also, right? BC 20 units given and D is equal to 10, and this one actually D is parallel to BC and D is equal to half of BC, right? Now we'll see the options. Both assertion A and reason R are true, and reason R is a correct explanation of assertion A. It's true, it's correct, right? Assertion A and reason R are true, both are correct, right? And reason R is a correct explanation, right only. That means the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it, right? According to the midpoint theorem, if D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, then line joining the midpoints DE must be parallel to BC and D is equal to half of BC. So it's true only. So the option is A.